I've been working on populating the starting town in Idklol, my ECS-based RPG. I moved the player starting position to the pub and added some tables and chairs and a keg. Then I made the NPCs for the bartender, patrons, and a shady salesman. So it will be easier to differentiate once I add more clothes. And I'll also add a buy and trade menu for the merchants so you can sell your stuff. So the pub is the largest building in town, and you'll probably get quests from the barkeeper as well. And I also added a temple which has a priest and the parishioners and some chairs and candles as well. So this is the second largest building in town, and I'll continue populating all of the other buildings. There's an alchemist and a blacksmith and a tailor, and then some player houses as well, and a abandoned house with a bunch of rats. So I'll do all that, but I just wanted to give you an update on what I had so far. You can get these 3D models from the candle, and the barrel are from the Quaternius Medieval Dungeon pack, which comes with all of this. And the tables and chairs are from the furniture kit on Kenny NL. So I'll put a link to both of these in the description. Then to spawn the entities, I made a spawn list resource with an enumerator for the entity names and a list with all of the components. Then I can call the getData function with a spawn ID to return the duplicate of the dictionary with the needs render added as well. So this is a lot more convenient than what I have in the map render function. There's a switch statement here with all of the appropriate components. So I'll be moving all of these into the spawn list as well, but right now it just has the furniture and the NPCs added and the types of buildings as well. So in the Rust project, this is a JSON, but I have it as a GD script with a dictionary instead, so that I can have the auto-completion available. Otherwise, you have to use the magic strings to call all of this, which is not ideal. So I think this works pretty well. Now in the town builder, I first make the dimensions for the buildings and connect it to the create entity signal so that the NPCs and furniture can be spawned. Then I sort the buildings array using the custom compare buildings function. So it sorts them from biggest to smallest. And then I can assign the building type at the array index to the spawn building type. And then I build the buildings. So here I get the building type data from the spawn file. So here's all of the spawnables, and eventually I'll add a sign with an icon, so I'm working on that. But it gets the spawnables and iterates through them and chooses a random spawn location, which just gets a random interior position within the building, and if the position is already in the spawn list, randomize the location until it's at a unique position. This will keep the entities from spawning on top of each other, and then add it to the spawn list. So that's pretty much all that I added. Thank you for watching and have a great day.